Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We need to refresh the chat because I literally have no idea if anybody's in here right now. There's the chat. I think it's the real one. We got Michael Allen. First in the chat. Mike, Bender, Mike, Old Rounder, Gary, Pudgy, Michael Allen. He already knows about it, man. It dropped internet. What's going on? Dropped internet. Gary, Pudgy, Gary, Pudgy, Gary, Caesar, Gary, Richard, Gary, Caesar, Pudgy, Michael, Gary, Michael, Caesar, Pudgy, Michael, Gary, Pudgy, Richard, Bender, next level, Caesar, Pudgy, next level. All of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. That is not the market. We have the market right here. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $6.24 right now. Touching 605 this morning, bouncing off all-time lows at $5.93. But AMC currently sitting at $6.23. Low, my friend. Shiba Inu coin curling back over, possibly sitting at $1.83 at the moment. It is up 4% on the day today, though. Not bad gain for Shiba Inu coin at the top right. GameStop in the bottom right, sitting at $18.07, a 4% daily gain. Bitcoin, $43,111, 108,717 dollars per coin right now. 1.89% gain on the day. NASDAQ bouncing back just a little bit to sit right above even, 15,077 points. You've got AMC at 625, GameStop 1807. You got Dogecoin 9.3 cents, Ethereum $2,365, Shib sitting at 1082. You've got Bitcoin sitting at 43,104. The SPY 475, QQQ 410, Mullen Auto 1079. All right, Mullen Auto bouncing off those $9 lows though. 1078, it is down 2% on the day today. Sundial sitting at $158. Netflix, $490. Highcroft, $268. MPW, $491. Tesla, Tesla, $262. Tesla's up today, man. Which is surprising because you get these other tech stocks down today. So Tesla doing pretty good at $262. Amazon sitting at $153.28. Apple sitting at $192, bouncing off $191 lows, sitting at $192.14 right there. All right, coming back over into the chat right now, just grinding. Heck yeah, Michael. It seemed to having only infected Ethereum side of my wallet. I moved all of my BNB to Coinbase wallet. Very nice. I think, Gary, I might have missed the first one there. I used to go through a Uniswap on my Trust wallet. Yeah, fees are cheaper, but my stuff wouldn't swap. Switched to MetaMask, ridiculous fees, but at least they swap. Nobody likes fees, man. Nobody likes fees at all. Hello, I'm here. James Taylor. What's going on, James Taylor? Glad to have you in here, and welcome, my friend. Here's to Michael's first in the chat. Michael, first in the chat, baby. Cheers to you on an empty bottle. Well, that's just terrible. Wish I had something in that water bottle. That would have been nice. Hey, Elizabeth said thank you very much for the hoodie. She loved it. Now me and her match, and she made me take a picture. Elizabeth, you are very welcome. Richard, you are very welcome for the picture. Now you guys just need to print that out at Walmart, frame it, either hang it on your wall, or put it on a little desk. You guys are going to be good to go with it. But very nice, man. You guys got matching bro hoodies there. Richard, she should be thanking you for winning that bro hoodie. Not me, man. I had nothing to do with that. I just sponsored the giveaway there. You guys are the one that actually won. So she should be thanking you for winning that one and participating in the first place. Because I know none of you guys, dude, dead serious, you guys are like the lamest participators in history of mankind. The other day, Christmas morning, right? Just to talk about how little participation some of these giveaways are. Christmas morning, dude. The video, Christmas morning. I know you guys are like opening presents, spending time with family, all that stuff, but my goodness. I said I was going to do a giveaway on Christmas morning. Dude, the top liked comment had 6 likes on it. 6 likes. Dude, you could have just told your mom and dad, your brother and your sister to click that like button or use 6 spam accounts and click the like button on your post and you would have won. Participation was way down Christmas morning. Speaking of morning, good morning to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. Holding just 20 million Shib. I bought with dividends. Very nice. Caesar, not bad at all. 20 million. Hopefully it turns into something someday. Okay, bro, backstory. All right, I need it, Gary. Went to cash out some profit. I accidentally went to cash out some profit on a coin, and it seems I had a phishing going with the same name in my hiddens. I did not notice. Ah, crap, dude. Did they end up draining your coins, or what do they do there, Gary? Man, that sucks. Really loving the hoodie, too. I may need to get another one. Old rounder. I will not tell you not to. I will not tell you not to. Let's see, morning broskies. Dark bro, good morning to you, Dark bro. We're getting worried about you, Dark bro. You're getting later and later, my friend. You're getting later and later. Dark bro catching up on some much needed sleep. All right, acceptable. We'll allow it to happen. What's up, bro? Me too. There you go, next level. It's almost lunchtime, Dark bro. Well, it is lunchtime for me, Pudgy. You West Coast boys, it might be breakfast time over there. We're still too early for breakfast time. But, yeah, dude, lunchtime over here on the East Coast, for sure. Late much? Me? Somebody else? It must be Dark, bro. Yeah, he's late. He's like 30th in the chat, man. Actually, 19th. 19th in the chat. Dark, bro. You could do better next time. I know we can. I have been watching some Solana tokens over the last couple of days, guys, and a lot of these little Solana meme coins are getting hit very hard. Some of them are much bigger than other ones as well. This Analos, I don't know how to say it. Analos, you got me. But this one right here is a very large coin, actually. It just got listed on KuCoin, and a lot of people are taking profits today. This coin is currently down 56% at 37.96 right now. All right, keep an eye on this. This coin was way up there within the last couple of days, and it's coming down pretty hard on the KuCoin listing. Let's see if we can pull up the daily chart real quick. Coming right back down, man. You guys can see it getting listed on KuCoin yesterday, and then boom. Right now, it is at a level of support. I don't know if it's going to come down any further, but $1 million in the liquidity pool. It is falling, and it is currently falling fast on that KuCoin listing as people are taking their profits. So please just keep that in mind, that this one could be something. It could actually turn around and do something if this is just a KuCoin sell-off, similar to the way that Pepe and such sold off when they were listed on KuCoin as well. A lot of the other ones, man, I know this one was getting hit hard as well. I thought it was getting hit hard. Okay. It must have from this wick up here. That must be what I was looking at, but not on the daily. Daily chart still looks good on Solarium right here, but a lot of these Solana coins, they are getting a lot of attention because, of course, Solana is getting a lot of attention. So just keep that in mind, man. Extreme volatility all over the place here. Solana moving from... this ain't right here. I don't know what this tick is, but Solana was not 220 yesterday, so I don't know what this wick is right here. But Solana was 120s yesterday and dropping back down to 105 right now. So might be taking a little bit of a breather. Dog with hat. I have not watched it at all today. 13 cents from the 35-cent highs that it saw the other day, curling back over as well. Guys, this could be a decent one if it ends up falling back down here heavy. You might end up seeing this one and be able to pick that up, and it might turn into some sort of a bonk. So just watch this one. Keep your eyes on it. $135 million market cap is insane, but these Solana meme coins have been moving around a lot lately. Bro, I was able to stop it. I noticed it after I did this swap, and it never credited to... So I went to Ethereum token approval options and blocked it, but it messed up my wallet, so I had to move... Perfect. Gary, man. Get it all out of there. I'm glad that you were able to stop it, man, and get that taken care of. So very, very nicely done on that. Quick moving, quick thinking, and hopefully... Dude, share as much details with your story as possible. Even if I miss it in the chat or whatever, share as many details as possible, because you never want that to happen to somebody else, right? You never want it to happen to somebody else. So if they're like, oh, crap, what's going on here? They might remember back to your story and think, oh, shoot, this happened to Gary. He did this. I can save it as well. So, yeah, Gary, man, share as much details as possible on your story so people understand that, wow, this happened to somebody else before. What did they do? Oh, yeah, that's what they did. And they'll be able to save themselves. Tony Salinas at the Blizz movement or the Blizz moment. What do we got here? Clearo. Can't wait to get my 2 shirts I bought. One for my son and the other one for the gym. I'm gonna be a walking banner at the gym. Boom, Tony. I like it, man. And make sure if somebody says, "Oh, that's a cool shirt," or you get it, let them know about the bros, dude. Tell them to come hang out with us in here. Absolutely. I don't know if that shirt will be a conversation starter or not, but it would be very cool. I've never been out and about and met somebody and they're like, "Oh my God, you're Clayro," or anything like that, right? So if you guys see anybody and they're like, "Oh wow, you watch Clayro too," I think that's absolutely fascinating. So share the stories if that happens and people actually know what the bro logo is there. Bunk made me money. Pull back, rebought, at a loss. Well, yeah, Caesar, man. If you made some money before, though, you're still doing very well. FOMOing into Solana, and I'm down now. Yeah, trust me, dude. I was this close to FOMOing into Solana as well. Now, I don't know if Bitcoin is going to... Bitcoin is been acting strange, man. Bitcoin looks like it wants to get rejected off that 44,000, but it cannot reject, and I don't know why. So, like, Bitcoin truly seems to me like it wants to get rejected off of this 44,000 level, right? I don't know if you guys are witnessing the same thing. Can't do it. And if you look at the hourly chart, it's even worse, right? It's like 4 or 5 rejections off 44,000, 45,000 here. But, dude, every time you get a little bit of a pullback, boom, man, the bulls come in and start buying like crazy. Now, I don't know the exact numbers, but it's Michael Saylor and I think it's MicroStrategy, right? They bought another like $600 million worth of Bitcoin in that $42,000 range. I think they've got some ridiculous like billions of dollars loaded up and maybe like 100 and something thousand Bitcoin that they're sitting on. And that may be reason for the spike that you're seeing in Bitcoin today. You know, these massive companies going out there and just crazily loading up. Their average price on Bitcoin is like $31,000 per coin or something like that. And so that might be why you're having a nice morning in Bitcoin here. But, dude, I'm telling you, every time it gets rejected off 44, I think you're going to see a decent correction. But the bulls just step right back in and buy. So Solana, I think Solana is really going to be following suit with Bitcoin. But Solana's been outpacing Bitcoin over the last couple of days. So looking at that, we just had Solana up on the chart here. And you can see that Solana is down 4% today to $105, $106 per coin. All right, that's better. So Solana actually doing very well yesterday, spiking up nicely. But it does seem as though it may want to curl back over here, running into some resistance well above $100 there. So you do have to keep your eyes on that as well, man. I want to just FOMO in as well because people are talking about $600-700 Solana. They're talking about Solana competing with Ethereum, and it's like, crap, dude. You know, if that is true, Solana is going to be 6-7 times higher than it is right now. Those are unbelievable gains. But it's tough right now, man. It's tough. Nice, Lonnie. My mom is officially into crypto. Lonnie, that's how you know. I'm being dead serious, right? I'm not like dissing your mom or anything. But that's how you know confidence is returning and we are potentially going to be running into a bull market. Now, I know you personally probably had a lot of influence on that decision. And maybe you did it over Christmas time. Maybe you gifted her some cryptocurrency for Christmas, or you helped her buy it during Christmas or whatever. But when your moms, when your dads, when your cousins, when your uncles start to say, you know, how can I get some of that there Bitcoin? Is it Bitey coin? Yeah, when they start saying stuff like that and then they want to buy into crypto. That Shiba Inu, when they start saying it, man, Solana, then you know that it's really hitting the masses. People who aren't into crypto every day or into investing every day or something like that, when they start asking about it, when they're confident enough to get into it, that's when you know that you could be on the brink or the beginning of a bull market. So keep that in mind, guys. I want to know more stories like that. If you guys got more stories like that, okay? People are willing to buy, because there's no other way to that we can really go in and read the analytics. But when you start hearing about people who aren't in crypto jumping into crypto. That's the cycle. 2017, it happened like crazy. 2021, it happened even harder. 2024, 2025, I mean, Lonnie's mom might be one of the first signs, but 2024, 2025, it could be even greater adoption of cryptocurrency. So please keep that in mind, guys. We need to know stories like that. DDT 2024, awesome, broski. Thanks for the support. As a thank you, I'm going to send you another milli. Dang it, man. Dang it. I need to go out there and campaign like Dark Bro, dude. Dark Bro is absolutely killing it over there. Heck yeah, thank you. But are you Claybro883 or are you Claybro883 or are you Claybro883? I can tell you right now, I am the first one. I am the first one. If you didn't misspell one of those characters in there, that is me. Claybro883 everywhere. None of those fancy zeros or I's instead of L's or ones instead of L's or anything like that. No underscores or anything. You do have to watch out for those fake dudes. Look, I don't really mind. Those fake dudes are a little annoying in the sense that they truly are trying to scam people. To me, it's not the end of the world because they still have like links that go out to the legitimate Amazon link. They got links that go out to the YouTube channel and stuff like that. So like that is pretty annoying that their intentions are bad, but just don't DM them. You know what I mean? Like don't interact with those guys. And that goes for my channel, but that goes for everybody else as well. Just like try to confirm, okay? I do follow people back on X. I'll sometimes leave comments and comment back on YouTube here and stuff like that. So it's not impossible, and I have no problem following you guys back on X or anything. But yeah, just be careful, man. If it seems like weird, you guys should know how I respond and how I act to things by now. Matt Perry, any of these other guys you watch out there, you should have a pretty good idea of how they speak, how they interact, and so on. If it's like, oh, hey there, bro, are you doing very well with your investments in 2023? Would you like to sign up for my website and deposit all of your money into my account? No, dude. That's nonsense. Don't fall for that. So, yeah, for real. But we're making 2024 the best year ever. Oh, we will, Pudgy. Oh, we will. Just a couple more days, and I'm going to have to get used to saying that now. Oh, man. Bought Solana at $10. So... Dang it, Lonnie. You're killing it, Lonnie. You're killing it out there. Balance DDT 2024. We get so many DD214s, DDT 2024s now. It's getting crazy. Yeah, one of my friends is like 5,000 profit with a Caesar. Very nice. I got a friend. I haven't talked to him in a long time. Nick F was telling me about him a while ago. But dude, he got Solana prior to the previous bull market. He was buying in like 2019, 2020 or some point when it was $2 a coin. I don't know if he rode it all the way up to 300 and then all the way back down to 10 and he's still in, or what his story is. But yeah, dude, he grabbed some Solana at $2 per coin. And I have no idea what he did during the previous bull market and this fall off here that we've seen over the last couple of years. Let's see. Maxi Bitcoin ETF. It's on Robinhood. Dropped internet connection. Very nice. But we got to figure out if it's a spot Bitcoin ETF, right? It wouldn't be a spot Bitcoin ETF. Hey, bro, you'd be surprised to know that people are approaching me when I have my pendant cross to the gym. I suggest to place a small QRC code somewhere on the shirt. Cheers. Yeah, you know, I did think about that. I just didn't know if people would really be that interested in looking at that, looking at the QR code, right? The QR code there. I didn't know if people would actually be interested in having something like that on their shirt. Dark bro, one good dude, Clay bro. That he is. DDT 2024. That he is. Let's see. 883 portion. It's a long story, man. It's a long story. But 88 was taken. So, to make the story short, what did I just say? To make the story short. To make the story short? No, to make the story short. Now, I have no idea what I said. You guys got to rewind that and see if I said to make the story short or to make the story short. But to make the story short, 88 was taken. 883 was not taken, so that it is right there. Donnie will get 100 million votes. Quite possibly, John. We're going to have to see, right? Let's see. I told my sister to get honorarium. We see what she does. Sisters, DDT 2024. What's up, Clay, bro? Always comments on my comments on the videos, but never replies to me. Oh, God. Pudgy, please tell me you're not out there spending time replying to these Clay, bro, WhatsApp guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, boy. If anybody's going to do it, though, it should be you guys, right? If anybody's going to do it, I want it to be people from the live stream, because I know you're not taking no fake news from anybody out there. Some of the newer people that watch the videos, they might get a little confused. But if anybody's going to be messing with these scammers, I'm glad that it's you guys as opposed to somebody new. So the story, I was trying to sell this coin Avail. I was doing it through PCS. When I clicked the token, I didn't pay attention to the full name, which was AI Avail. Gotcha. When I clicked the swap, I noticed the swap said approved, but my account was not credited. So I went to the transaction page and saw the address said fake phishing. Oh my God. So I went to the token approvals and noticed it was latching on itself. Wait for me to verify access to my wallet. Oh, jeez, dude. Well, okay. So, and then he went in and canceled the transaction, right? Is that what you're saying? No, I got to keep honorarium low until I can get on my feet again. Next level, man. He's like, don't pump it up now. Let's see where honorarium's at. I haven't looked at honorarium at all today. No moon yet. Wait for the next level. Wait for next level before we moon, please. Let's see. I have your WhatsApp. Oh, God, dude. I don't know. DDT 2024. I don't know. My goal is to never work again. Lonnie, I hope you read. Lonnie, you know what? What do you mean by never work again? Because I will say this, right? And I really don't know your guys' like personal desires and so on. But what do you mean by never work again? Because I'm going to tell you right now, dude, if you wake up without a goal, you're going to live a very boring life, dude. You really will. If you wake up, you lay in bed, you scroll through TikTok and YouTube shorts, you go downstairs, you sit on the couch, you watch some TV. How is it already 5 o'clock? You make some dinner, scroll through some more shorts, you get ready for bed. You guys are going to be living a very unfruitful life. You will not like it. You really won't. Now, if your goal is to have $10 million, buy a little beach house somewhere, and, whatever, just instead of watching TikToks, you're watching the waves roll in. I truly think that you guys are going to end up in the same situation thinking, this is very unfruitful. This is not what I want to do. So there's got to be something that you're waking up looking forward to doing. You got to think about that part as well. Let's see. But hey, help my brother get in early, though, and he is doing good. Very nice. What do you think about the trade algo? Let's take a look at it, man. What's good, bro? Hope you'll get your chance. Yes, absolutely. Short Stort. Oh, jeez. Caesar. Why the heck would I say Short Stort? That doesn't even make sense, man. My second cycle, I learned a lot the first time around. Very good, Lonnie. Won't call your WhatsApp until I need to. Yeah, DDT 2024. Don't call it until you need to, man. Mini charts and cup and handle setup. Time to buy. John Murphy very well could be, unless, of course, Bitcoin does end up breaking back down through the $40,000 range. Now, I know 43,000 is well off the 40,000 mark. But if it does end up curling back over, falls through this ascending trend line, falls through this horizontal support, I would be very skeptical about buying in right at that moment. But, yeah, dude, everything seems to be on a decent little decline at the moment. Bulls continue to keep buying on every little dip. So, yes, it could be a very good time to buy in, unless, of course, it does continue to break down. So, I'm sitting here watching it right now. I got some money that I can deploy, but I've not yet done it. I'm glad I didn't chase Solana over the last couple of days here, but Solana is very interesting because it's getting a lot of attention right now. Let's see here. Got my electric scooter, goes 28 miles per hour in turbo mode. 28 miles per hour. Is that like one that you ride on, or is that the one you stand on now? Is that like the Vespa style, or is that the ones you stand on? My desire, get super rich, buy a ton of land in South Carolina and some in Montana, then build my house with a moat I can fill with alligators and put up a drawbridge, then build a go-kart track and a burnout track. Okay, then a roller coaster for my kid and I to enjoy. Gary, that does sound like a very nice fantasy, dude. I hope you get that. And I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't know how much money you need to buy a moat or build a moat. I've never done so before. But I would imagine you could make it happen, dude. It would basically just be a swimming pool that would go around your house there. So, actually sounds like it might be a pretty good idea. What do you think about XRP? Who's your daddy T? I actually like XRP, dude. XRP right now, I believe it's in that 60 cent range. XRP is going to be doing phenomenally when, let me say if, not when. If and when big institutions begin using blockchain transactions instead of traditional bank transactions. What was I just going to look at, though? I was going to come out here. What was it? I mean, maybe I was going to look at honorarium. Now I forget what it was. Maybe I was going to look at this one. Dude, honorarium cannot be stopped, man. It just can't. Back up from a $70,000 market cap to an $83,000 market cap, $10.83 thousand in the liquidity pool, looking very good, and a lot of buys coming off that $1,000 sell that you had the other day. A lot of buys rolling in off that right there, so starting to curl back up. Hopefully able to get back up into that channel right there, and starts to move higher if it does break up into that channel. By the way, Gorilla's up 55.6%. Oh my gosh. Get yourself some Beam, Clay, bro. Yeah, Bender would probably agree with you on that one, DDT 2024. Let's see where Beam and Gorilla are right now. Let's see where Beam and Gorilla are right now. No, it's lower than... It's not at 67.91. Yeah, there you go. 30.81. All right, it's coming down heavy, man. It's coming down heavy. This is going to be an interesting one. This was a very, very large market cap. I think people are selling off like crazy on that. You know this one's going to be doing well today. It's trending. Somebody else in here had Gorilla. I don't know who it was. But Gorilla right now sitting on a 56% daily gain. Gorilla is... Oh my gosh, dude. On the month, it is back down a little bit from where it was. But, yeah, dude, look at this annual graph taking us back to November 13th. This coin's about a month and a half old, and it is up 3,521%. Gorilla is performing very well right now. And then the next one that a lot of you guys are starting to mention in here is Beam. Beam down 3% on the day today to 1.8 cents. On the week, it is down 11%. On the month, it's still elevated, but doing very well, up 100% on the month here. And then on the year, this coin has only been out since October 27th. It is up 277%. A beautiful, beautiful graph since it was listed here. So very, very nice for Beam and Gorilla. If you guys are interested in two coins that have been gaining a lot of attention lately. Paul says, I'm trying to push your Amazon link on StockTwits. They're asking if you make a commission. Exactly. So, yeah, Paul, what happens, man, is Amazon, so anything that you open that Amazon link, right? We'll just start from the very beginning. You open that Amazon link. The landing page is this page right here. Okay, landing page is this page right here. Claybro earns a commission, yes. But that is not just on this stuff. It's the landing page for Shiba Inu coin because I want everybody to know that it's related to Shiba Inu coin. And it's obviously for, and that number's not right either. This one here, this number's correct. This is the landing page so everybody knows that it's for Shiba Inu coin. It says, burn Shiba Inu coin. A percentage of all purchases, not just the Shib clothing here, will burn Shib. You can use the search bar up top and use Amazon as you normally would. So what happens, and everything generates a different commission. But if you use that link and then let's say you go buy an Audible book or you go buy a book for your Kindle. Kindle books for some reason generate a very large commission, but I mean they're very cheap. If you buy an Amazon game, I don't even know what Amazon games are. Amazon games have the highest commission and they're 20%. So if you bought an Amazon game for $1, I don't even know what Amazon games are. I'm assuming they're like Google Play Store games. But if you buy an Amazon game for $1, generates a 20% commission, it's 20 cents. The majority of everything is roughly ends up being like a 1% commission on average, 1 to 1.5%, because there are things as well that don't generate a commission. So it does end up averaging to be about a 1% commission to do that. Then I'm using that commission to burn Shiba Inu coin. So I got an email. I don't think it was over the weekend. I think it was last week. I got an email. It says the first payment is going to end in the time frame December 29th. Of course, then it says it could take up to 5 days to hit the bank or whatever. So I have to see when it actually hits the bank. When it hits the bank, all I'm going to do, man, is go into Coinbase. I'm going to buy Shiba Inu coin. And I don't know. I mean, if it's at this number right here, I'll just round that up to 23 million instead of 2022 or 22 million. If we end up accumulating a little bit more and it's like 24.7 million Shib, I'll just buy 25 million Shiba Inu coin and send it to the burn address. So the first payment is going to take place on, well, it says the first payment, like the threshold is December 29th. I don't know if it's going to be right on December 29th or if they pay out January 1st or whatever the deal is. So then I'll just take that money and I will buy whatever this number says at that time. And then I don't know how I'm going to do it. I might put down in this area right here, like total burned so far. And then just keep this accumulated. So reset this back down at 0. And then show you 22, 791, 117 down here has already been burned. So I would imagine the first week of January, and then if that stays, it's going to be the first week of every month. Go in there, buy it on Coinbase, and then just send it to the burn wallet. So actually, it's going to create a buy transaction for Shiba Inu coin as well, which is going to be good. And then it's going to send it directly to the burn wallet, which is also going to be good. So yeah, that's how the Amazon link works. If you're interested in sharing it on StockTwits or anywhere. I imagine you could just share it directly on StockTwits because I share my videos every once in a while on StockTwits. So you shouldn't have a problem just sharing the link on StockTwits. Let's see, if you don't mind, let me know what you think about Corgi AI. Corgi AI was doing very well a couple days ago when we looked at it. I don't know where it's at right now, so let's try to find it here. And I'll pull it up. I'm going to try to come back on the... Catch back up with the chat real quick. Been holding my gorilla since $600,000 market cap. Bender, dude. Dude, Bender's ripping it right now on Gorilla and Beam, man. Bender's doing very well on that. Gecko headquarters. Remind me of that in a second. We're going to look at Corgi AI in a second here, man. Dude, listen to him. Listen to that jab will kill faster. I don't even know what we're talking about. Clearly, check Fink, an early BNB meme coin under 1 million market cap franchise. All right, we got to look at Fink. We got to look at Gecko headquarters. We got to look at Corgi AI here. XRP is still lagging. Crow is still lagging. Both these are true, man. Crow, I believe, is still in that 10-cent range, and XRP is still sitting in that 60-cent range. Neon's up like 65%. It is going to skyrocket when the big exchanges pick it up. Yeah, Richard, that's a very, usually, I mean, that's like the Coinbase effect, they call it. When these coins get listed on these major exchanges, they do become much more volatile. I'm getting more Beam on payday. Right? DDT 2024 and Bender, man. These guys are going to be the Beam millionaires here. Luke in Bull Flag, bottom in. John, I hope so. But me personally, I believe the bottom or the next level of support is going to be 12.5. Okay? There's not much support that I've been seeing in 14. So if we sustain this move below that 15 to 16 range, I truly believe that Terra Luna Classic is going to be testing that 12.5. I hope that it doesn't, right? There's a chance that technical analysis does not hold up and people just go in and buy right now. but I believe the technical analysis. And let me say the only reason I believe that is because it's just majority. Okay, technical analysis has over a 50% chance of being correct. So I mean, I'm just going with the odds on that. Odds are, since it broke down through 16, it's going to test the next level of support at 12.5. And that's the only reason I state that. You know, it's just odds are in the favor of that happening there. Clearly, even if it's 99%, it's got that 1% chance that it doesn't. It's not 99%. It's much lower than that. Yes, Beam's doing it. Still bottom level price. Good time to fill your bags, Clay, bro. Very nice. Burn it. Well, yeah, Marcus, I could do that. The only thing that I want to make sure if I do burn it or if I just simply send it, maybe we can pull up the Ethereum transactions and you guys can see that there. And I don't think I've ever used Coinbase to accumulate anything either. Dude, I just don't want I don't want to make sure that like people are looking at any holdings or anything like that. But I don't have anything on Coinbase, so it shouldn't be an issue if you see that wallet. But yeah, we can absolutely do it so you guys can see the Ethereum transaction come over and stuff, and then I'll click send and send it on over if you guys would like. Let's see. Yeah, where are we going? Thanks, Clay. Paul, absolutely, man. Just got here. How is Shiba doing today? Adam, Shiba Inu coin is actually doing okay today. It is up 3.5% right now, 1077 points per coin. Corgi AI. I know that took a while to catch back over to the chat and get up here, but Corgi AI, guys, it is currently sitting up 25% on the day today, and a $381,000 market cap. Let's come out. Is this Corgi AI? This is Corgi Coin. I don't know if this is the right one. I don't think this is the right one. Dang, dude, this is a very low market cap coin though. It's starting to pop off today. Wow. 4x increased over the last 2 months here. I don't think this is the correct coin that you were looking at. Is it this one? And I don't know which one it is. I don't know which one we're looking at here. Corgi AI. Okay, it might be this one. This one seems to be doing very, very well on a daily chart here. Going from 3 zeros and a 1 to 2 zeros and a 3. That's a 30x increase over the last, 2 months here. A 30x increase. So Corgi AI has $2.68 million locked in the liquidity pool, which is excellent to see. I don't know if it gives me a time frame. We have detected locked liquidity or supply. Check it. Okay, so you can go there and check out what the locked liquidity is. But $783 million market cap, dude. That is a very, very, very high market cap right there. My gosh, dude. And your $1 billion market cap on Corgi AI. Is that a Kronos? Yeah, man. This is like a Kronos meme coin here that is absolutely killing it. Wow. Giovanni is late, but Giovanni, I guess they say better late than never, man. Better late than never. Kombu's back from the future. Very good to have you in here. Beam it, baby. Oh, jeez. Mary Cortez. Polygon is doing very, very well today. I saw Polygon, I think, earlier today at $1.05. And that's after ripping up to 99 plus cents yesterday. All right, yeah, dollar. I saw it this morning at $1.05. It's currently sitting at $1.04, up 14 to 15% on the day today. The week is phenomenal, going from 70, basically 5 cents, all the way up to $1.04. The month is looking strong, 70 cents to $1.04. And the year, these 50-cent lows down here, the Polygon was tapping, and it's back up now, breaking through this resistance line, okay? Resistance, 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 testing this area right here at the dollar mark. And potentially, if it breaks it, if they can sustain this move above $1 that it's seeing today, the next level you're going to be testing is $1.10 all the way up to $1.20. So Polygon is looking very good right now, regaining a lot of ground from those like $2, $3 highs that we had back in 2021. Polygon is looking very good. Could you imagine this previous bull market, man? From 1 cent to $3 stinking dollars per coin. Polygon absolutely ripped it in the last bull market. If it does it again, nice. But I don't think it can go that high. I don't think you're going to see 300x gains in this next bull market, knowing that would take it, my gosh, to like a $3 trillion market cap there. Let's see. Oh, gosh. I see what Gary's doing there. I see what he's doing. Just a heads up to all my bros on here. Go look at Neon. It is going to $50, and I got in at $1.25. Holy smokes, man. Corey AI is a Chronos meme coin. Yeah, Lonnie, dude, and it's $700 million. It's a phenomenal market cap. Neon. Let's check out Neon real quick. Oh, man. Which one is it? Hey, let me know which one it is, guys. Let me know which Neon you're talking about. Is it this one? Could be this one. Oh, wow, dude. Wow. Look at that monthly gain. Oh, my goodness. Is this another... Oh, my gosh, dude. Is this another layer 1 blockchain? Wow, dude. Is this another layer 1 blockchain that's just been sitting there since August at 5 cents and is already ripped up to $4 per coin? Dude, is this another layer 1? Hey, is this a layer 1 blockchain, guys? Let me know. I don't know anything about Neon, but 5 cents to stinking $4 is a beautiful gain to have happen in like 5-6 months, man. Oh my gosh. Looking for $120. Mary, $120 on... Looking for $120 on Polygon? Dude, if you think Polygon's going to $120, that's very, very, very high. That is very, very high for Polygon. That would be a massive multi-trillion-dollar valuation. I just amped up my bean bag. Beam bag. Not his bean bag, his beam bag. Dude's amping up his bean bag over there. I don't know what's going on. Heck yeah, dude. DDT 2024. Very nice. Sir, Dark Bro, I have no clue how to buy it. All I have is my phone and don't have any other wallets. I ain't sure how to go and do it. Yeah, Richard, it is very easy if you want. I know Dark Bro's been helping some people. I know that you could easily follow like a pancake swap tutorial on how to go out there and get it. But if you truly are interested in buying some honorarium, I know Dark Bro's been helping some people do it, so he can walk you through it, or he can help you out with it as well. Let's see here. I've had a beam for weeks, and now it just doubled up. Dude, I'm loving it, man. So, and now tell me, it's a Solana token. Okay, it's a Solana token. Beam, oh my gosh, dude. You guys, look at these gains, man. Neon is a Solana token here. 2,000% gains on the year here. And ripping from lows, it's stinking 5 cents to near 100xing when it reaches that $5 mark is absolutely phenomenal, man. Solana tokens are insane right now. Let's see here. Sorry, $1.20. Mary, that sounds a little bit better. It's I mean, it doesn't sound better. It sounds much more achievable. Let's put it that way. Sounds much more achievable. $120 would be a multi-trillion-dollar valuation on Polygon. That's not to say 30, 40 years from now it can't reach that. But, you know, and the same goes. 10 years ago, people never thought Bitcoin would be reaching trillion-dollar valuations and so on. So 10 years from now, these other coins could be reaching $10 trillion or trillion-dollar valuations and so on. But it's just not something that we can really fathom at the moment. Can someone be a lad and green name me? Wangro, man. What is going on? Coming off a long break, brother. Feel refreshed. Wangro, man. Very, very nice. Haven't seen you in here in quite some time, man. Hopefully you're still doing good, and hopefully you still have your Amazon trades there. Let's see what we got. FINRA fraud. Jesse, you don't like FINRA? You think FINRA is a fraud, or you just like typing in caps? What's going on, Jesse? Gecko headquarters. Yeah, let's check out Gecko HQ right now. Who's your daddy? Let's check it out. Gecko HQ, ladies and dude, even though it's a 6% daily gain, like this is a beautiful 6% daily gain today. It is nothing but increased price activity, bottom left to upper right hand corner, literally no pullbacks. This little move from 104 to 103 is not really a pullback because it's still following the ascending trend line. So that day is beautiful. The week, all right, the week has been dropping down, and you saw this very nice gain take place today. On the month, all right, you are down on the month here. And you can see a 30% increase to get back up to the monthly high. On the year, this coin has been out for about 2 months now. Now, the only thing that I would be watching out for on Gecko HQ is that it had a very nice launch, but it has been hitting lower lows. Okay? You haven't really seen any sustained gains or extreme interest. Now, on the other hand, okay, there's no trading view, so I can't mark this chart up. But if you notice here, you guys can see my cursor. It came down here and bounced off this level at 95 points. What did it do yesterday? Came down to the exact same level and bounced off that 95 points. So major support, major support. Now, 2 doesn't necessarily make a pattern, but it does show you that the bulls are willing to come in and buy when it gets to that price. So if you're more aggressive, if you're looking for an entry, that could be a sign that this 95 points is going to hold up as your support, and you may be bouncing off nicely here. So you went from 95, rose up about, 40% or so to test that 130. Came down here, you didn't fall quite as far, but you came up to test that 130. Right now, you've got that initial bounce off 95. The previous 2 runs came up to 130. That's exactly where you could be going up to. So just keep that in mind. That's the technical look at Gecko headquarters or Gecko HQ right there. Does it hold up and follow through the exact same thing? Yeah, only time's going to tell. Let's see. How much honorarium can I get for $100? At these prices, what would it be? Like 1.2? No, $100 would probably get you 120 million, right? Is that right? I don't even know if that's right anymore. 12 million. 12 million. Holy smokes, dude. 12 million. Gosh, man. Honorarium. Is it 12 million? You use the same price as Shiba Inu coin? Yeah, it's about the same price as Shiba Inu coin. 5 zeros and an 8. $100 gets you 10 million Shib. Yeah. Golly bum, dude. Remember, $100 was getting you freaking 1 billion coins down here, man. Now it's getting you 12 million. Honorarium is growing. Honorarium is actually growing very fast. I know a lot of people might think it's growing slow or whatever, but dude, when that bad boy was launched, $100 would have bought you the entire supply. Now it's getting you 12 million. Why are you ignoring my question on Bencoin V2? Mission Possible. I did not see it. I did not ignore it. Do you have time, please? Yeah, Mission Possible 777. I was not ignoring it. I simply did not see it. Let's see here. Bencoin V2. Let's see where we're going with Bencoin. The Ben V2, I would imagine, is this one right here. Bencoin is migrated from the old contract to the new contract. For more details, check the official announcement right here. Absolutely. $6 million market cap, $600,000 in volume is very healthy for a $600,000 or for a $6 million market cap coin. That $600,000 is very heavy volume. On the week, volatility's picking up. Everybody might not have migrated over and so on. But this coin has been out now. V2 has been out for, I don't know, about almost 2 months, let's say. Now, the only thing that I noticed, I don't really know what Ben had going on or what Ben Coin had going on or what the intentions of moving over to V2 are or anything like that. I mean, technically, we could go check out websites and things if you would like to check out websites. But right now, you notice over the last 2 months, something that I don't really like at all. The entire cryptocurrency market has been performing very well over the last 2 months with coins moving up 50, 60, 100, 200%. Ben here is down 43%. It has done nothing but go down, and it is not broken back up above that trend line. So you can mark it up here. It's just going to be a smaller graph. All right. Well, this doesn't really help. That doesn't help at all. All right. No, it doesn't. So yeah, just imagine your straight edge, your trend line being drawn right here. It's still right below. Now it came back up and it's testing that trend line right now, but it has not yet broken back up above it. So I would be slightly concerned that this coin has only come down since being launched there and V2 coming into existence. But I don't know anything about what they're doing or why they had their V2 come out or anything like that. So Ben V2 right there. Hey, Clay bro, big supporter of challenging Shibarium on Burns. Good job. Shiblato Burn. Shiblato Burn, man. If you guys are on it, go check out Shiblato Burn on X right there. Mark, thank you very much. And you know what, dude? I got good intentions with it. It's just that I want to see these guys follow through with the burns they said they were going to do. Simple as that, man. So Mark P, thank you very much. Play 2 commercials back to back. Ooh, that's at least a penny, dude. It's at least a penny right there. Appreciate all you guys watching these ads, man. 21% gain on my YOLO in 3 months. Wayne Grow, man. Dude, listen, I'm not giving you any financial advice or anything like that. But, yeah, don't YOLO that one again. You're so well off right now. Don't YOLO that one again. You're doing very good, man. Clearly do whatever you want, but very, very happy to see that, man. Lonnie boy, that would be a dream. Dark Bro, goodbye, Home Depot. Soon for you, brother. Yeah, Dark Bro, hopefully soon Dark Bro can buy a Home Depot. You get there, man. I also work for a big box. D. I can't wait to get out. There you go, Lonnie. I love it, man. Got my bro sweatshirt in the mail yesterday. Wearing it today. Delivering the mail. Fits. Oh, God, dude. Love it. Thank you. Now, Mr. Normus, I don't know if that's because I had like an XXL tall and you wanted the 3X and you're saying that it's really tight, or if you're saying that it fits perfectly and you love it. So, Mr. Normus, I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that, but thank you very much for wearing it, and I hope, dude, I really hope all you guys love your shirts that you got, especially if you want them and so on. I think Dark Bro and Pudgy got their stuff yesterday. Tim should have gotten his either Saturday or yesterday. So hopefully, I think Pat sent me a DM saying he got his thing. So if I mailed your stuff out on Saturday, you guys should probably all have it by now, with the exception. So I did not mail out Mark L. I did not mail out Suzuki. And I owe another one to Pat because I sent Pat the wrong size. And 12-something, the guy that won on YouTube, I owe him a shirt as well. I'm pretty sure that is all. I might be missing somebody, but I'm pretty sure that is all that I need to mail out, because you guys didn't give me your addresses in time for me to go to the post office there. My last post. It is safe. Wayne Grow, last post I see, man. 21% gain on my YOLO in 3 months. Yeah, brother. I YOLO'd everything on Amazon stock a couple months back and took a break. I bought in at 127 and change, and look today for the first time. This investing thing is pretty easy, brother. I think it's that one that you wanted me to read. Very nice, Wayne Grow. Very, very nicely done. And I absolutely think that's awesome, man. I truly do. I don't want you to, God, don't make me nervous, okay? Don't go in there and YOLO the entirety of it or anything like that again. But very, very nicely done. And, man, you can start adding some dividend stocks in there, too. I mean, you're sitting on a decent chunk. You're just creating some dividend income for yourself as well. Pancake Swap for Honorarium, Dark Bro? Yes, Pancake Swap is where Honorarium is at. Let's see. Fits perfectly. Mr. Enormous. Very good, man. That's what I like to hear. Got mine yesterday. Ken Bro got his yesterday as well. Very nice, Ken. Does yours also fit perfectly? Hopefully it does, man. Hey, bro. Beam Immutable and Matic making something huge. And now's the time to buy. About to rupture. Yeah, DDT 2024, man. I'm making a list. I actually got it. You guys can't see the notepad right here. But I got a notepad with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9 or 10 coins on here that I am looking at going in and adding in towards the end of the year here. A lot of them are Solana coins, so a lot of them are Solana coins there. But I should add Beam and maybe even Neon to the list as well. That graph for Neon was looking phenomenal. Am I late for a shirt? Yes. DDT 2024. Unfortunately, you're late. I don't know if I'll do some sort of a New Year's giveaway or not. But unfortunately, you're late for a sweater or hoodie giveaway. You can always go out and grab one on Amazon if you really want to grab one on Amazon. People seem to love it. I will say this. If you guys see them on sale, okay? If you guys see them on sale on Amazon, that sale comes out of apparently my pocket, right? It's less commission generated. Amazon just throws this stuff on sale, literally does not ask if they can throw it on sale or anything. And the commission or the royalties or whatever for selling it, well, guess who gets to eat those? Me, not Amazon. So, yes, they do throw them on sale every once in a while. If you guys see them, a couple bucks off if you want to wait till you see a sale there. But, yeah, you're more than welcome to go grab one on Amazon. Unfortunately, I don't know if I'll be doing a New Year's giveaway or not. Pick up the bro hoodie in the Discord. Let's see where we're at here. I got my DMs open. I gotta scroll down, jump to present. Nice, man. That is a very nice bro hoodie right there. Very, very cool. I gave one to my friend for Christmas too. Yours looks like it's the black one with the red logo there. He got a navy blue one with the red logo. And he got the crew neck sweater. And he sent a picture the other day. He was at the gym and sent a picture of it. Dude, it makes me so happy to know that you guys are willing to wear that bro logo too. Look, I got mine on right here. And I love it, dude. Whiff is one of the coins, isn't it, Clay? No, Whiff is actually not on that list right there. And 2 of these, maybe 3 of these are definitely coming off. Because they like just absolutely crashed. So, Whiff is not one that's on there. But, dude, Whiff, I don't know, man. If it comes back down a little bit, that could be like the initial run-up in Bonk. And then Bonk tanked back down to nothing. And then out of nowhere, a year later, boom, 100x gains, man. So, it wouldn't be a bad idea to just be sitting on some of that. Let's see. Hey, Clay. Oh, the other Bitcoin ETF is doing well for me. Bought it at 0004 a couple of weeks ago. Giovanni, we'll pull that up in 2 seconds after I say Steven. Thank you very much for the super chat. Whatever happened with Highcroft Mining and AMC? So, Steven, as far as I know, right, Highcroft Mining is still on AMC's portfolio, meaning they still own those shares right there. But I'm going to be very honest with you, and you can go back and you can watch the videos that I made back then. I believe the only reason that Adam Aaron bought Highcroft Mining, AMC, as you guys can see, is down here at all-time lows right now. Highcroft Mining in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, basically sitting at all-time lows as well. Having a nice day today. But every time you've seen a little spike up like this, boom, it immediately drops off and hits new lows afterwards. But, yeah, I mean, you can zoom out. You got your reverse split here. The 1 for 10 reverse split. So this is the equivalent of sitting at like 27 cents. And those are the levels that it was at before AMC bought it. I believe that the only reason Adam Aaron bought in was because his buddies from Mudrick Capital were getting hammered and were going to lose all of their money. He bought in, and then the AMC apes bought in on the news, and then they just dumped on everybody. Basically, not only dumping AMC on everybody, right, and ripping retail investors there, they did it with this stock as well. So as far as I know, AMC is still sitting with Mudrick Capital. Yeah, AMC is still sitting with Highcroft Mining on its books. I don't believe they have sold those. I have not kept up to date like I used to. But yeah, dude, I believe that they ate retail investors not only in AMC, but they ate retail investors in Highcroft Mining as well. Guys, somehow it's already past 1 o'clock. You guys don't even keep me updated on the time. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here right now. I'm going to pull up and allow the merch to be plugged towards the end of the stream here. If you guys want to check it out, go check it out on Amazon. But let's do some shout-outs, guys. And then, of course, we'll be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you for keeping the chat awesome. Appreciate every single one of you guys for wearing your bro hoodies. Makes me so happy to see that everybody's out there representing the bros in the way that you guys are, man. Dark Bro, enjoy your afternoon, man. JB, see you later. Giovanni, enjoy your morning. Giovanni, we'll look up that other coin this afternoon. I didn't realize it was already past 1 o'clock. DDT 2024, man. Gary, see you later. Ken, bro, have a great one. How bad is Solana gas fees? No gas fees on Solana, Ken. No gas fees on Solana. So if you want to trade those meme coins, literally no gas. So make sure to go check those out. Wayne Grow, see you later. Hey, Wayne Grow, thanks for being in here, man. Thanks for being in here. Seriously. I know it's been a while, and I'm glad you guys came back. Wayne Grow, DDT 2024, Wayne Grow, Steven, man, enjoy your afternoon, Steven. We got Dark Bro, Pudgy, Wayne Grow, Gary, Giovanni, Next Level, Dark Bro, DDT 2024, man. We got Roulette Wheel, see you later, Roulette Wheel, Geoped, later to you, man, DDT 2024. We got James Taylor, Bender, James Taylor, thank you very much for being in here as well today. Bender, Giovanni, Bender, DDT 2024. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.